Chevy Cruz 2015 had an engine light. We went to dealership and they said in order to fix the problem with the engine light they'll charge us over $300, and they charged anyway $170 just for diagnosis, which could be deducted if you decided to work with them. That $170 will be deducted from the total price. But then we figured out that the issue is using OBD. Issue is purge valve that was malfunctioning, needed to be changed. I purchased at a local Chevy dealer AC Delco's part. I don't know exact price, but it's a little bit over $30. And in order to replace that, we need to take all one out by pressing here this little knob and pulling it off. Second thing, push this button down, which is spongy a little bit, and pull that off. And here is one more thing, that you see this red piece need to be pushed up a little bit to release connector and pull it off. And whole thing is on some clip, or however you can call it, like that, and that's how it looks. So I had new one, and we'll just put new one back reverse way. So to put new one on, I'll do first put it on this little clip here. That's how it needs to fit, and it doesn't matter which order we go. This just needs to be snapping on. This thing needs also snap on, and this red thing goes down. And last thing is this, that we need to push and hit that click like everywhere else, and that's it. $300 work for $30 and 2 minutes of work. I would love to encourage everybody, do your homework, make sure that you understand what you are doing before you pay all that money. There is many good mechanics and people that want to help you, and they will charge you money because that's their job. But there are people also that they like to take advantage of you, especially if lady drives car and they see that they can't do it. Like I say, do your homework, talk to somebody, make sure that you are paying good for a reasonable job, and save you some money. Thank you for watching.